With the recent surge in popularity of Bitcoin and other crypto-backed nanocurrencies, many new investors are left asking themselves, why didn't I jump back in 1987 at Bitcoin's inception, when it was first announced that fateful day on Chicago TV station WGN-TV Channel 9 by Satoshi Nakamoto, and then 2 hours later on WTTW Channel 11 by Ask Jeeves founder David Worthen. Those were truly the days. Many new investors are also left asking themselves, now that I've dove headfirst into this digital frontier, just how do I keep my exciting new Bitcoin investment safe from hackers and other menacing e-complications? This video will help to dispel some of the myths surrounding Bitcoin, as well as work to inform the average investor just exactly how they can keep their new digital wallets and private keys secure while hedging against future turbulence. As with many newfangled crypto-based debt securities, Bitcoin seems to transcend currency itself as it enters into the realm of popular commodities such as bearer bonds, commercial paper futures, and other decentralized debt instruments which have stood the test of time. Here's a question I seem to have heard 1,000 times recently around all the 10-story high water coolers if they were afoot. Hi there, I'm looking to pick up some Bitcoin for myself, but don't really know exactly how to get my foot in the door. Well, it's quite simple really. There are various global exchanges online such as oss.jody.org that will serve this very purpose, much in the way that a currency exchange at the airport will facilitate your likely half-drunken purchase of several duty-free bottles of 18-year single malts. However, as with many online services, you should be aware of potentially high transaction and convenience fees, usually somewhere in the range of 13 to 37% per trade. Now, for those looking for a more hands-on investing approach to Bitcoin, should you find yourself at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange or any similar trading floor such as the German Deutsche Aktien Index, or GDAX, head for the nearest crypto exchange bay and find a trader with a Series 9 license or above who is legally licensed to trade digital currencies. You'll be looking at about a 1.5% fee per trade with this option. Such trading floors will be proud of the weight you've lost while perusing, and really proud of this. Okay, so you've just picked up a couple fresh pizzas and are sitting down to try and fully wrap your head around the idea of those precious Bitcoins you've just purchased. In an attempt to truncate my notepad file, let's take a look at the most pressing security conundrums facing Bitcoin today. How do I ensure my investment is secure? Which wallet do I use? Which mining achievements can I work towards as I attempt to process and verify the billions of hourly transactions on the blockchain with my Pentium 286 GPU while simultaneously strengthening the very network caves that I'm mining? These questions, along with many others, do have answers should you find yourself on a reputable search engine such as AltaVista or Ask Jeeves. As the volatility of Bitcoin approaches zero in the upcoming year-end market quarter, you'll be excited to know that Bitcoin was recently given a AAA credit rating from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, meaning your trades will be secure up to the $250,000 market cap, as long as the trades fall within the public ledger spectrum and are put into cold storage on a trusted hardware wallet such as Trezor, KeepKey, or Ledger Nano S. Setting a stop-loss order on a weeks or even months-old Ledger transaction may seem counterintuitive, but it's a foolproof way to guarantee that when the time comes to exchange your Bitcoin for fiat money, you simply won't have to. According to current models from some of the leading financial analysts, JD MBAs, and PDFs, by mid-2019, approximately 85 to 90% of all Fortune 500 companies, shell companies, as well as their competitors will accept Bitcoin as payment, meaning your dedication to holding on to Bitcoin will be doubly rewarded. Say goodbye to fiat and hello to the car company with the same name, as you most likely just purchased the 1966 Fiat Abarth 1000 SP for a mere 0.3 Bitcoins. Hopefully this video helped answer some basic questions you might have regarding the exciting currency known as Bitcoin. An anonymous, fast, anonymous, and secure Bitcoin is the future, and with your help and hopefully newfound knowledge you've received after viewing this video, many a restless mind can be eased, and the future competition for scarce resources on the blockchain will be something that we can all be proud of. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best of luck with your investing in 2014.